Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. I do have one dog with me today. Can you say hi? Girl. I did have Josie in here earlier. She knocked over the light. She was just too excited. I may insert some of the footage of her prior to me losing my mind here. Oh, how do you know? How do you know? How do you know? Joe, sit down. Okay, sit down. Okay, Josie, can you say hi? Say hi. Okay. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for September 2020. In here, we should have between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup products. As always, if I don't know if something's cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will have that displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the estimated sample size value of everything in this box. I will do all the research, all the good stuff, put that on here for you in case you're interested in that, add it all up at the end, find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. I will say all my videos, like for the last couple months, have been really late because I get the boxes super late. I know some of the companies have been talking about how like shipments are delayed due to COVID. BoxyCharm has said that. I don't know if Birchbox has mentioned that, but I assume that's why, because prior to all this, I would get this box like by the 6th of the month at the latest. And like now I'm getting them like closer to the end of the month. Today, as I'm filming, is September 18th, and like I still don't have some of my boxes, so anyway, so that's why everything's a little bit late for me. Okay, so this is the box this month. Really, really cute. It's one of these like little drawer style ones, which I really like a lot. I always really enjoy the boxes with Birchbox. It's one of my favorite parts of it. Okay, once you have the box open, it's going to have this little card right here. On the back side of the card, we'll have everything we're getting as well as their full size values. Okay, let's just go ahead and get into the stuff. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out right here, this is from It Cosmetics. This is the Your Skin But Better Primer, Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base, and Pore Refiner and Hydrator, plus all-day grip technology. That is a mouthful. So there's the packaging. Pretty basic packaging, nothing really special about it. I have tried a lot of things from them. I've tried a couple of foundations, a couple of their creams. I like this brand a lot. Maybe it's because I'm getting older. I'm starting to care more about the kind of things that this company is about. Oh, sorry. It's like shooting out of it, so I guess we'll get a feel for it. But yeah, so there is the like consistency of it. Kind of creamy, I guess. Go ahead and rub it in. Okay, so it definitely feels a little bit grippy, but it's not like that Milk Hydro Grip. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that. I hate that stuff. It's like putting a glue stick on your face, for me anyway. Some people love it. Me, not a fan. But this feels pretty nice, so not really much of a scent to it. I definitely will use that. Definitely curious to give that a try. The full size value of this is 39 bucks, so a little bit expensive. Okay, moving right along, the next thing I'm going to pull out is from Comfort Zone, which is cruelty-free. This is the Hydra Memory Mask, Immediate Effect Hydrating Mask. There's the packaging. I've tried a couple things from them. I know I've tried a face wash and maybe a moisturizer. I'm not the hugest fan of the way this stuff smells. It's very perfumey, at least the things that I've tried. And I just don't really care for that with my skincare. I'm not into like perfume scented things, you know what I mean? Like really heavy scented things. Ugh. I don't know why this only happens with Birchbox. Everything just shoots out of the packaging. So there it is. It definitely just feels like a lotion. This is a mask, it says. Leave on for 3 minutes, then remove any residues. It is very perfumed. I just don't like that. Let me know down below if you like perfume scented things. This is a very watery sort of consistency. You can kind of see it on my hand there. I'm going to go ahead and take that off my hand because I don't need a mask on my hand. But I probably will use it. It kind of reminds me of like if you've ever smelled Clinique Happy perfume. That's kind of what it smells like, which is just weird for a face mask. But yeah, the full size value of this is 45 bucks, so probably not something I would pay. I don't know, some things I'm willing to pay for. This, the way it smells, not really. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Georgette Klinger, which is not a brand I've ever heard of. This is the Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer for combination dry and sensitive skin. It does say cruelty-free on the back, so that's good. So it's just a collagen-infused moisturizer. Let's go ahead and see how much of this shoots out when I take off the safety seal. It's like always the theme of this box. And nothing. I say that and literally nothing came out. Oh, here it goes. There it goes. Can you see that? That's kind of disgusting to look at. Okay, let's get a feel for this. So there it is on my hand, just like a heavier cream. Feels nice. It has a scent to it, but I can't put my finger on it. It smells good though, like not like an overpowering perfume scent. It just almost like a tropical-y scent. I don't know what the scent is, but I really like it. The full size is 34 bucks, so I don't know. I don't know if I'd pay that. Probably not. Okay, let's see. The next thing, let's pull up this. I'm pretty sure I've gotten this before. This is from Nature Lab Tokyo. This is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub, color safe, paraben free. This is cruelty free. Not sure if you can even see the packaging on this. I've tried this. I'm just not really somebody who like scrubs their scalp. I don't know. It's just not a thing I do. So I'm probably just going to pass this along to somebody else. I do like this brand. I love the way the products smell. They always smell super clean. I'm a big fan of that. I'm just not really in the market for a scalp scrub. It's not something I've ever wanted or needed. So I'm just going to pass that along to somebody else. The full size is $16. So I don't think that's too overpriced for a hair product, like mid-range, I'd say. Okay, let's see this. This is from Chlorane Laboratories. Yeah, this is from Chlorane. It is a micellar water with organically farmed corn flour. So it's a 3-in-1 makeup remover, which is what a micellar water is if you've never used one. Never heard of this brand though, so I'm not sure anything about them, if they're cruelty free or not. I'm not entirely sure. But there's the packaging. I do like the bottle. I like that it's like blue. The bottle, it's kind of different. I mean, it just smells like a micellar water. So yeah, if it's cruelty free, I will use it. If not, I will just go ahead and pass it along to somebody else. I do like this sort of thing for especially eye makeup. So if you're like me, trying to get away from using makeup wipes, this is a really, really good alternative. So definitely hope it's cruelty free so I can give it a go. All right, we have one last thing. This is from Arrow, which is cruelty free. This is the Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. There's the packaging. I believe this is full size. Mine is in the shade Berry. I think I've gotten this before, maybe? Maybe not. So it's just like a tinted lip balm. I will go ahead and see if it swatches anything I can show you. So yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to see this. It is like slightly tinted. It smells like peppermint, which I'm not opposed to. I don't know if you can, oh yeah, you can see it right there. See right there in my hand? So yeah, it's got like the slightest little tint. I definitely will use that. I love tinted lip balms. It's one of my favorite things to wear, especially now since we're wearing masks all the time. I don't want to waste my lipstick, if that makes sense. So I've been using the Pacifica tinted lip balm, but I definitely will give that a try. And the full size, which I'm pretty sure this is valued at 15 bucks. So, you know, kind of overpriced, but I don't know. I think it's overpriced. For a tinted lip balm, it's overpriced. Okay, so that is everything we got in this month's Birchbox. It is very skincare heavy, I'd say. I have the moisturizer, I have the mask, I have a micellar water, which to me is all skincare. I have a primer, which is almost skincare, like close enough. The lip balm, which is makeup, and then the hair scrub. So I do like skincare. It's something I really enjoy now that I'm a little bit older, but I also love makeup, so I see like the more fun in getting makeup, but not mad to get all this stuff. Okay, so overall, it really wasn't like my favorite box, but it wasn't like a bad box, if that makes sense. It's like just middle of the road. But as always, I leave it down to you now. Let me know what you guys thought of this box right down there in the comments down below. I always love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on the boxes, whether they're worth it. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more little loafs of dogs. She's staring at me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.